Capital letters and full stops are two of the most important parts of writing a sentence. Mr. Mitchell here, and welcome to Nothing Fancy Literacy. A capital letter is used at the beginning of every sentence. Capital letters are also used for proper nouns. Proper nouns are the special names of people, places, days, and months. Look at the first example. Today is Monday. The capital T begins the sentence. Monday has a capital M because it is the name of a day. Now look at the second example. David went to New York. David begins with a capital letter because it is a person's name. New York begins with capital letters because it is the name of a place. A full stop is used at the end of a statement. It tells the reader that the statement is complete. Now it's your turn. Can you write a sentence containing at least 2 capital letters? Remember to finish it with a full stop. Pause the video while you write your sentence. Remember, begin every sentence with a capital letter, use capital letters for proper nouns and the word I, and finish every statement with a full stop. Like and subscribe to help other English learners discover our lessons. I'll see you in the next video.